As far as you can get it back. As far as, oh, that way, towards the house. Yeah, yeah. You see how I put that other stuff there? Yeah.
I've been calling like I got ulterior motives. No, we didn't end this so good, but you know we had something so good. I'm wondering, can we still be friends? Does it have to end? If it is, can we be friends?
Just do a roof up to here, then take them off and sheet that and do it that way.
Ready for another roller top. Scott, the master roofer, teaching Marcus. Marcus is pushing on very quick, keeping it nice and straight, steady. Matt's on the screw gun, screwing away. Graduate to the best screwer on the team. You out? You out of ammo? Yep. Do you know how to reload? taking a dip around. Look, guys. Oh, he must be looking for somebody. Oh. He's coming around like almost like a circle. He must be searching.
That guy took a picture of us. Let's go bomb him.
I got you on video camera. You're going on YouTube. You're gonna be on YouTube. Oh, he is. Okay, he's coming around again. He's coming around one more time. Look, Scott. Let's come and check out the roof job. How's the job look, guys? Hey, he gave us a drive-by. He didn't do a drive-by, he did a flyby. Yeah, he's a fly guy. See that? The BZB, he gets flybys by the Navy. Yeah. Look, now he's going about his business. Thank you, man. We appreciate that. Yeah. Whoop, whoop, whoop. There you go.
One sheet of plywood and put a foot in section.
Curtains like waves closing in all around us, that they don't blind us. So tongue in cheek when we're laying on roses. You're touching my skin and you're leaving me hopeless.
So what are you guys doing right now? What can you explain the term? Give me some of the terminology on what's going on here.
Roofing.
Working, yes, we know this, but
We're putting on the finish so we can lay down the shingles. So you put this down so the water.
okay,
doesn't-
what is this? What is this?
What is it?
What is it? What's the?
It's starter strip.
Yeah, Okay, Sarah Strip, you
And
got it.
you put it down so the water doesn't leak through the cracks there.
Okay, that's excellent. Scott's teaching them all how to be pro roofers. Okay, let's watch a pro in action here doing valleys. He's doing a valley. This is called valley, ain't it, Scott?
Yep.
Yeah, he's doing valleys. And what is valleys? What we mean by valleys is where two roofs combine into an angle that creates a valley pitch. So, and here's the pitch of the valley. It goes shoot, shoot. Right? So you're going to blend the valleys to keep the water flowing properly so it keeps traveling to avoid leakage. And it that would be classified as a runoff, right? Because it's a roof to a roof, but there's not really much valley to it. Yeah, there's a little bit of a valley on each angle.
A little one there.
Yeah, a little valley. What are you going with there? What's that called, Marcus?
Starter strip. Jesus. Oh, you again? Starter strip.
Might as well move them. Hey, might as well move them right over that way, man, because I'm going to be cutting a big hole there. Yeah, okay, watch yourself. I'm going to be drilling a hole up here. Yeah. Team killing it.
Tell the viewers what you're doing, Scotty. What are you
I'm
doing?
cutting a hole in
It's not out of revenge he's cutting the hole. It's just that he's putting a skylight.
the light in here.
Yeah. He puts a light up in here in the man cave. Man cave getting the light. He is. He's right. They're out.
Just picture everybody naked. She really doesn't like to wait.
Show me skills, Marcus. Show them the skills. Skills. The young bucks are learning. Scott, he's doing. What are you doing, Scott? Vent?
Working my way around the stink pipe.
He's working his way around the stink pipe. And this could be a stinky situation at times. Stink pipe, right? And what a stink pipe is, it allows the gases that accumulated a toilet bowl. Yeah, I know, I don't really want to talk about it either, but these are things that have to be dealt with, these issues, when you're doing roofing. Because it can be a stinky situation every once in a while.
Good.
Last nail, little roof. Here she is, here she be. Here she be. All the end caps. All on. Yep. The last piece of rubbish. Yeah, all nice indeed. Look at that job. Dang. All roof.